What's up, guys? This is Rafa back with another video for you guys. Update. I think it was a few months when I mentioned cam headers on my truck. I'm actually updating you guys on that specific one of the things that I got done, and most likely letting you guys know what it is. I did posted a short video on YouTube, so most of you guys or girls already know what it is. So, quick update. Here is my 2003 Chevy Silverado 4.8 V8 street tune. Looks different because different wheels, tires. These are my racing tires. Truck's a little dirty. Been using it for work, obviously, with all my stuff in the back. Shout out to Diablos. You already know. Shout out to 801 Street Trucks. So, the update on the truck, like I said, some of you guys already know what it is, some of you don't. So I will show you guys what has been done. So my truck was tuned on stock headers, intake, and exhaust. So right now, sorry for the motor's real dirty, you guys already know what I got. So I installed my Speed Engineering long tube headers and spark plugs, new spark plug wires. Like I said, long tube headers installed. Intake headers. So from the header straight back, it is straight pipe. I don't know if I can show you guys. If you guys could probably see that. Let's see. You can't see it. So straight back, it's straight pipe. From the front, straight pipe. So I did have the truck with open headers for like 2-3 days. Super loud and like annoying, but still sounds loud. But all that noise is coming back to this tip in the back, and sounds a whole lot better. So when you get on it, you know it's fast. Currently, my truck is not tuned for the long tube headers. It is street tuned for the intake and straight pipe back. But I need to get it tuned hopefully soon. But right now, as it is right now, just with the headers, I feel a huge difference on the truck. I'm not saying it's whoa like super fast or anything like that, but I'm telling you guys, just installing the headers, and this is what the truck needed. Like I said, there goes the long tube headers, as you can see. But yeah, the truck is faster, not a lot. I've raised 5.3, 6 on the 6.2, and it's kept up with them all the way, like head to head. Or you know, at the top end, it started kind of getting me. Like I said, the truck's not tuned yet for the headers, but it will be hopefully soon, sometime in the next week and a half or two. So for sure gonna get that done. And then another update on the truck, actually, before I forget. Some of you guys know that I did a 2.4 Beltec drop kit on my truck. My truck used to have a was it a 2.5 or 3 inch or something like that, rough country lift. So I used to have some 20x12s on the truck with I think it was 275 55 20 I think wheels, off-road wheels, so that the wheels used to stick out, of course, because they're 12 wide. So currently I'm sitting on a 2 in the front, 4 in the back Beltec. Actually, I ordered my flip kit for the truck. It doesn't come with the C-notch. I'm just gonna ride it like that. I know I might bottom out. Like I said, I just don't like that big gap. And then the truck is not leveled, so the back's more taller than the front. So when you have the truck like this, it's kind of hard to tell because I can't really show you guys. But the truck's not leveled. It looks, but it's not. The back's more lifted, so it has sits like this instead of being like that. So I ordered my flip kit. It's I think it was Max Track if I wasn't mistaken. I should be getting it sometime next week, I believe. So hopefully that comes in. I'll make a short video installing it. I'll get one of my buddies to help me. It's not too hard. One person can do it. But hey, you know, as we have friends, so I'm gonna get my friend to help me out to do the flip kit on the truck. So it'll be 6 inches in the back, and the truck's gonna look a whole lot better. And then, like I said, these are my racing wheels and burnout wheels. These are really good wheels. I love the look of it. Of course, the front sticks out a little bit because I had to put spacers because they're all 17, so the spindle on the bottom was rubbing. So I had to buy some spindles to space them out so they wouldn't be touching on the wheel, because without them I could not put those 17s in the front. So if you guys are thinking doing 17s all the way around, if you're dropped, don't do it. Or you can do it, but make sure you have some spacers. I bought the G2 axle wheel spacers from 4-Wheel Auto Part. It's a set for $108 or something like that. So I bought those, put them on. So the front, like I said, you can't really tell, but it does stick out a little bit more than the back does. You can tell, maybe you can. But like I said, you can do it. But once I get that 6-inch flip kit, the truck's gonna look a whole lot better. It'll be, so right now, like I said, it's 4 in the back, 2 in the front, but with that 6 is gonna even out the truck. And then I am going to be buying some new wheels. I don't know if I'm gonna go with like 22s or 20s. Kind of looking into some alloy wheels, something really light. I mean, I do like to race here and there, but I mean, I like to cruise around. I just want something that looks nice, and when I have to step on it, you know, I get up there. But that's the next thing that's going to happen to the truck, is a 6-inch flip kit for the back, and then maybe wheels, or I don't know yet. I might end up doing cam first, or I don't know yet. I mean, like I said, it's kind of up there, so I'm still depending on what to do on the truck. It's hot. So yeah, guys, so like I said, it's a little update on the truck. Like I said, I ordered the 6-inch flip kit. Hopefully that comes in soon. We'll get it on, show you guys how it looks. Like I said, I'll make a video of installing it. It's really easy. Like I said, if you guys are looking into speed engineering headers, I recommend them. Majority of all my friends actually run speed engineering, and they have no issues, no gas leaks, no nothing. So like I said, guys, if you guys are looking into it, like I said, go for it. They're somewhat actually cheap, so it's not too bad. Like I said, go to Speed Engineering. Not sponsored. Speed Engineering sponsored me. But yeah, other than that, I bought some mirrors for the truck. Took this top from the other ones. My truck's real dirty. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. Super dirty. And the inside is dirty too. I haven't washed it or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, so much inside hasn't really changed besides center consoles painted black, new stereo, still the same red cluster, all that good stuff. Eventually I will get the cluster and the seats wrapped, partly do the whole inside of the truck, this sunroof on the truck. An old guy who does them for a good decent price. No complaints, no issues with that. What else? But yeah, guys, at the moment, like I said, Speed Engineering headers, that's the way to go. I know you got Texas Speed, Crooks, and I think K&N headers and all these other different brands. I really have to clean my bay. Oh god, this is disgusting. But like I said, I'll recommend Speed Engineering headers. I mean, they're the way to go. Haven't had no issues. Had them on already for 2 weeks or 3 weeks already. I love them, and the truck's not even tuned for it yet. So imagine when the truck is tuned. Oh, another thing, I'm going to be buying some new headlights for the truck, because these are like my 3rd pair or something like that. I'm just done with it. I got, this one has water inside of it. I don't know if you guys can see if the water's still in there. It probably dried up, but there's water in there. And this one, I don't know what the hell happened to it. That's like turning black. and all that. Yeah, I don't know what's going on that it's turning black and all that. The top ones are doing all right, but the bottom ones are done. And then I am going to be repainting the this piece. I forget what to call, not the grill, but the piece that goes on the grill. Repaint that because it's rock chips and all that. And then all the red that you see here is going to get painted. I am going to take the whole bumper off, you know, take that off, repaint it black and all that good stuff. But like I said, guys, not much has changed in the truck yet. I have to wash it, get new wheels, flip kit, all that. I will be posting more, a little bit of the truck updates and whatnot. If not the truck update, I will be posting more of, like, you know, with my other buddies, go on the meets and whatnot. Like I said, little racing here and there. But yeah, if you guys, you know, enjoy the videos and like the videos and whatnot, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. And like I said, welcome to the channel. And if you guys have any ideas on what I should do to the truck, like I said, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, guys, you guys have a good day. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.